Yeah, still Friday, 17th of April. Just got done mowing everything. And I used my Craftsman M220 self-propelled mower. Bought it off Craigslist, got a hell of a deal on it. The man that was selling it said it goes too fast. This is your engagement for the drive. All you gotta do is feather it, and you can make it go as fast or slow as you want. Anyway, I bought this EWK vacuum oil tank for changing oil on small engines, pulling fuel out of a tank. If I have a problem with the fuel in my Harleys, I can use this to drain the tanks very easily. And this son of a gun is slick now, let me tell you. I like. So after I got done mowing, the oil was nice and warm. Perfect time for the oil change. And also, same time I change the oil seasonally is when I put on a new air filter. November of 2024, I changed the spark plug. Pulled and checked it, it still looks brand new, so I just left the old one in. I run full synthetic 10W30 on my small engine stuff. And full synthetic resists thermal breakdown. And I'm in Texas, and it's easy to get thermal breakdown and thinning of oils, and the full synthetic is not near as sensitive to that. Yeah, this thing I like. It's an EWK vacuum oil change tank. It's got a bunch of hose. They say you can use it, pull an oil out of a car engine too. I'm not sure I'd want to do that. That's pretty easy, just pull the drain plug. But this is one of those damn no oil change engines, which is total bullshit. But anyway, I don't mow a lot. It literally takes me 15 minutes to mow all 3 spots that I mow. It's hardly anything, so I don't change it twice a year. And like I said, last time I changed it was November of 2024. That mower burns no oil. It's a good dang mower. It is so good. After the man sold it to me, he called me a couple months later and tried to buy it back. I said, well, no, I'm using it pretty much weekly. Well, okay. So apparently he had bought one to replace it, and it wasn't near as good as this one. At some point in the near future, I'll pull the blade and sharpen it. I got 2 spares. I've got about 10 spare air filters. So, maintenance done on that. End of the year, I'll change the oil on my Troy-built pony. And, but I'll wait till the end of the year. And, anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.